Let's take a look at a very rugged backpack. Good for kids, good for back to school. Hidden compartments, lots of zippers, lots of entries and exits too. For example, you got your headphone exit in the top, and then you got a charging area on the side of there, right? Got plenty of zippers. You could fit a lot of stuff, your backpack, and pretty much a lot of items that you have in there. In fact, you could fit your laptop or your iPad in the back. Plenty of rooms in here. And then secondary bags for smaller details, pencils and so forth. Crayons for kids, adults, snacks. Pretty much has a lot of entries. It's very durable. In fact, if you guys can see, there's actually metal lining, a line in here. You guys can see that. So that's the actual weight of it. You could hang this on anywhere. On the back, you could hang it on your car. You could hang it on the post. Plenty of padding in the back, breathable, stretchable, easy to adjust. Take this camping, hiking, traveling. Has a clips so you could clip on things, your goggles, your snorkeling gear, pretty much anything, your shoes. Plenty of bag entries for your actual water bottles on the side. It has even a grip for the bottled water, and of course, it comes with a USB so you could charge any device that you have, as long as you have a charging device internally. The charging device is not available with the actual backpack. You got to provide your own. Plenty of cushion space. You can even charge any of your favorite devices on the go. Very discreet.